Hello, good morning. It is Tuesday, April 30th, aka my move out date. So I'm moving out. It is currently 7:51 a.m. and last night I took a load to the place already because I'm really worried about our times today. We only get the service elevator for an hour, so we have to take all the small stuff throughout the day. And we have to go to Schaumburg, which will be like hour and a half trip. And getting nervous, it's fine, it'll be okay. I actually got a lot out of here last night, so I'm so glad that I did that. And now I just have a little bit of the more awkward stuff and definitely more boxes and clothes. I tried to take some of my coats yesterday. So we're gonna take you along on the day today. And I'm gonna do a little move out vlog. This is sad, but also this is very exciting because I love my new place. I'm just worried about how we're gonna get the couch up the steps. Okay, let's find out. See out the season's right. Make a memory, something I can call my own, like a wildfire that burns through all I know. But I know the way. Okay, so we are on our second trip here. We've got the truck and we've got one of the mattresses. So we're gonna bring those guys in now. And then we're gonna hopefully squeeze in one more load, get the box spring and the frame, and come back over here before we have to go and get the couch. So here's the state of affairs here. Oh, I don't think I could flip it. Not that much stuff yet. I just wanna move in. I wanna wipe down these floors. Doing this in the rain, folks. I don't know if you understand how awful that is. It could be worse, right? Okay. Could be snowing like it was last week. Okay, now off to do the final trip. Well, before we go to Schaumburg. So I thought I'd provide an update because it's 7:15 and I technically don't have this apartment anymore. I turned in my keys already, but yeah, I'm still here because we have some stuff left. We got stuck in traffic going up to Schaumburg as expected when you're coming in and out of the city from 4 to 6. So that took a little bit longer, but we got the couch in record time. I honestly don't know how we did it. Only one stub toe and it was mine and it's fine now. So that is in there. It fits. Don't know what it looks like yet because we had to leave immediately and get down here. Dad is making a run by himself because now we can't leave the apartment without getting locked out. So someone has to be here at all times. And the rest of the stuff, including the couch, has to fit in his car or his truck and my car. And if it doesn't, it's not coming with. No. So I'm just doing some final cleaning. All my clothes are still in here. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. I'm just so excited to be in the new place. I just want to be out of here. Okay, let's do some cleaning.
This world is ours to take. These rules were meant to break. Life can be wedding cake. Get out and let it go. Up north and Mexico. Everywhere can be our home. This is my life.
little update on what's happening. Oh, I look like I have spots all over my face. It's 10:12. We're still moving out. Turns out I had way more stuff than I thought, so I need to go through everything because I'm over this and it's just giving me stress. So I'm just glad that we are in the home stretch. The couch is sitting in the lobby of my old apartment building waiting for us to pick it up because there's no more room in the inn, and we're gonna drop off and empty both of our cars, grab the couch, go back to my new place and set up. Hi and welcome back. Today I thought I would end the moving vlog with an apartment tour, so let's just get right into it. So when you enter my apartment, you get the stairs right up into the living and kitchen. So this is an overview. The kitchen just got remodeled before I moved in, so that was super nice to come into. We have a dishwasher, let's just take it in, and a full-size stove and oven. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what most kitchens have. And across this, we have the little living space. The sofa I picked up at Art Van. It's the Maya sofa, and it's the most comfortable thing I've ever been in. I absolutely love it. I'm testing out pillows right now, so I think I like these. I need to get another color in this room because there's a lot of green, but that's okay. So across here we're using my coffee table as a TV stand for now. I don't really know what I'm going to do because I really need somewhere to put my feet, but another later task. The rug is from Rugs USA, and it's an off-white Jew Maui rug, I think is what it's called. So I really like that. I picked it up on sale. Over here we have this little shelf, I guess, filled with plants from IKEA. We really have a lot of plants up here. There are only 2 fake ones on here. That grass right there, and then these peonies. They are fake. Everything else is real, so that's exciting. I want to, my little ivies back here, hang the, whatever this one is, up in the corner here. But I need a special nail, I guess. So I'm waiting for my dad to help me figure that out. These paintings are above my bed, original paintings. Photos that I took, so me, were above my bed, and I moved them out here. They look a little barren, but I think once I get the plant up there, it will look better. Then I have my little plant that I think I named him Freddy, from IKEA, as well as the pot, because as you can tell, I love this style pot. It's fine. There's another one back there. Okay, so then I have this room that I'm still trying to figure out what to do with right now. It's clearly a shoe closet, but I can't fit my desk in here because it's not wide enough. And this is just an eyesore, but I have been wearing more shoes because of it, so I don't know what to do with that. Okay, moving right along. Opposite the kitchen is the one and only bathroom, but it's quite large, so that's exciting. I have this great space in here, so that's nice for a lot of storage. And then this in here is really cool. I just organized it yesterday. It's a lot better than what it was. Okay, so moving right along. This is my bedroom, and it's pretty big actually, which is nice. This is just a full, so it's not like crazy big. Got my lovely headboard from Amazon that I love. This bookcase that was my TV stand before, filled all the way up in here, and then I have another little thing from IKEA. The closet is pretty nice, but in order to have a washer dryer in here, it has to be in the closet, so that's a little sad because clearly I'm running out of space, but
a girl will make do for a washer dryer. Okay. Into our final room. This is the guest space storage for right now. Still need to figure out what to do with all of this stuff. Those are like my gardening things and my hats and tools and party slides and bags. And then I have my desk over here, which is, I just need to get a new desk with actual storage because I don't really have much. And then I have a massive mirror over there, and then I have another closet here with more clothes because I could not fit it all in one. But that is my little print. That is my tour of my apartment. I hope you guys enjoyed that, as well as the moving vlog of me moving out in the rain. That was fun. But I love my new space. I'm excited to get some more decor, figure out what I'm doing in these odd rooms because I think those could be really cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want links to anything, I'll list some below, but reach out if I'm missing anything. Okay, bye guys.